Okay, guys, so yeah, I kindly accepted Zookeeper 22's A959B or A979B or just even the normal version, these 1/18 scale buggies or truggies, if you've got that 1/18 scale, always holding a 3S high speed challenge to see who's got the fastest A959, A979, and this is my A959. This one is my actual original first RC car. As you can see, it's in bits. It was all metal upgraded and all kinds, metal discs, metal gears, and I've got a load of spare parts, bits, bearings. I was going crazy with this A959, but as you can see, I've got two different brushed setups. I am going to rig this one back up on a brush setup. As you all know, I got my A959 with the A979 body on, so that's my main car I'm going to run for the high speed challenge. You see, it's all ready to go, everything with the GPS on the back, my new 1/10 Abzima buggy, and of course my 1/10 HSP XSTR high speed run car. Oh, chargers, controllers all charged, green light, that's good. I always usually do it off my PlayStation. So yeah, I've got them three buggies over there, all waiting for a blast on the GPS, all lined up, ready to go. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get this. As you can see, I've got a brand spanking new body. I brought that from when I brought my second one. I actually got a brand new body, and I was running these two bodies as you'll see in my previous videos. But I've got a brand new body there as well, which I might just chuck on for the high speed run, just for the, that original look. Who knows, we'll see what happens. But I'm going to see how much of this one I can put together before I have to order any parts in. Yeah, I've still got some parts for this somewhere else. I know I've got like a metal one of these somewhere, aluminium one of them somewhere, so I gotta dig that out. But I'm gonna put this together as much as possible and see how we get on, and use this as well for the high speed challenge. So I'll get this one running on 3S, but with the brush setup, and then I'll have my brushless setup as well running on 3S. So I'm going to enter these two cars into this high speed run challenge. And yeah, as you see, I got loads of bits and pieces, so I'm sure I'll be able to get it all together, strip down these shocks so they are well, like they're just so sticky. I mean, look at that, I pushed it down, don't even push back up, well sticky. So I'm going to strip them down, open them up. I've got loads of little O-rings and spares and stuff like that, so I'll get them all running smooth and get it all done. And I've got a Savox servo already in there. It was a small mini or micro servo. It's actually smaller than the original, but it does the job. It was small, it fitted in, and it does the job. I think it was a metal geared servo as well. I have a 1/10 scale servo. As you can see, I actually cut away the mounts and stuff like that, where you screw it down to, simply just to, make it as small as possible. I even trimmed off the edge so that the arm, when it's moving, it's got room to move because it's so close and stuff like that. Almost look, trimming it down, I've gone right through to where you can see the actual screw. I mean, obviously it's not waterproof or anything. Look, looks like there's a hole there, but it's not going to affect the driving or performance or anything like that. It's, just to give that arm space to move. I may fit that in, I may not, but yeah. Also, I've got 1/10 brushed ESC, which came with my Focus, which came with my HSP, which is 2 to 3S. So I may use this. As the A959 comes to receiver, everything's all built into one ESC. I may stick the original back in. I'm probably going to go with this one and fit my normal receiver in and stuff. I'll just have to order a new receiver. I'm all out of the Fly Sky receiver, so I'll get another receiver in to run with this, and we'll just get this all put together, guys. And you know what we got here, more body pieces. We've just got loads of spares and loads of bits and pieces. This is the one that grinding down a little, because in that one I've actually fitted a plastic one of them. It's all metal gearing, and I fitted a plastic one because it was obviously a lot easier to grind down. I didn't have the sander at hand at the time, and trying to do it by hand, you know, just like trying to, you know, well, you can imagine, take forever. But I cut down the plastic one just to see if the mesh, the gear and everything would run nice, and yeah, it's all running nice. So once I get this grinded down to the right thickness, I will swap it out and put that in. But so far the plastic one's held out. I mean, the plastic gears always held out in this car. Even when I was running on 3S, I didn't have a problem with the plastic differentials and stuff, but I have upgraded to full metal, and I still have, if any of the gears in here are not running too smooth, I've got black set and like an anodized steel set, even the small ones. So it is going to be running all metal gears. I'm going to try not to add any more metal to it because it's pretty heavy as it is already, and you know, and stuff like that. You know, I've got more or less fresh rims. This has been out a couple of times. So, you know, it's not really, you know, these rims and tires that haven't been used yet. So, yeah, we're going to get this together and we'll see how we'll get on, guys. Stay tuned.